So those are the two assignments for this week. We do have student conferences that you can have with me. 30 minutes. I plan to, on most days, at least weekdays, be available from 8 to noon. But you do need to schedule it with me because just to make sure that I am available. So shoot me an email and let me know, do you prefer to conference by phone or do you want to chat via Google Hangout? The advantage of Google Hangout is that we could take a look at something together at the same time. If you're adept enough or you have the technology, you could show me what it is that you're looking at, and we could look at it at the same time. But we can also chat by phone as well. So send me an email. There is a Google document that you can. That what will happen is once I confirm, I will add your name and time to the Google document and then I'll confirm and send it back to you, so you know that you have a time and you're pretty much good to go on that front. Okay, so now what I would say to you is don't wait until week 16 to have a conference with me. Usually at week 16 I can't really do very much for you. Okay.